For some, coming into an art gallery can be intimidating and overwhelming. You're not sure what to ask for because you don't know what you'll like until you see it. It's difficult to describe something you haven't seen yet. So taking a look around and having a seat in the back and letting us pull work out for you so that you can really understand, start to feel what work is resonating with you. That's the key. I have been working with interior designers and collectors for over 20 years, and I'd like to be able to advise you. I can come into the home. I provide a service where I can take pictures and composite them onto your walls so that you can understand the scale of work that would feel right in your space if that's something that is important to you. You can have professional installation and delivery, and you can have home trial. So actually, if you're too busy to come to the gallery, we can serve you as well. I hope you'll call or send us an email, send me an email. I'll get back to you right away and we'll get you started on this very interesting journey that will open up your life in ways you never expected.